Welcome students, and today's lecture is about to prime number test. So prime number in sense the numbers which can be divisible by themselves and 1, because 1 will divide every number. So simply to remember, the numbers which are divisible by themselves are known as prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, we can list out them. There is an end for that. In our next coming topics, we are going to use this prime factorization method. A stage comes where the student is not able to proceed further, whether it is a prime number or not. So to decide that number or to check that particular number is a prime number or not, a small test is readily available that we discussed today. So these are steps we followed. These steps we have to follow to test the given number is a prime number. Step 1, identify two consecutive squares so that the given number, I will write positive number here. We discuss only positive primes. The given positive number, let us say small n, or you can take small p. Better we choose small n, will lie between them. Step 2, take square root for each number. I'll explain about the second step with an example, then it becomes very clear to you. Step 3, list out all the prime numbers that are less than or equal to the first square root number. Step 4, the last step, if no prime number divides n, then we say that n is a prime number. So these are the steps to be followed to test the given number n is a prime number or not. These 4 steps will help you to decide the number given to you is a prime number or a composite number. In next video clip, I am going to give an example based on these 4 steps to decide the given number is a prime number or not. So these 4 steps you should know very clearly, memorize them so that we apply these 4 steps to fix our conclusion regarding prime numbers. Hope this information is clear to you regarding prime number test. Do share and subscribe our channel with your friends. All the best.